Hello, this is Oscar Castaneda with Geology 101. Um, this is Tech Assignment 4, Earthquakes of the World. I'm using the USGS Earthquake Map page. Um, the largest earthquake we've had is the 7.7 magnitude near Lucia, Jamaica. It's occurred along the tectonic plate boundaries of the North American plate and the Caribbean plate. The reason this occurred, as we can see here, is these two plates were sliding past each other, and this would be a strike slip fault. And so you have the Caribbean plate in this area moving east, and you have the North American plate moving west. So there was some built up pressure, and it snapped and had quite a large movement. It was felt as far away as Florida. Now, in the United States, there was a earthquake here in Alaska. And that's the Larsen Bay 4.7 magnitude. And the reason this occurred here is because it's on the Pacific Plate boundary, along with pretty much all earthquakes that have occurred in the United States and some in Canada as well. And I mean, the reason for all these is the subducting plate that's meeting the North American plate, and the crust is going underneath the the North American plate.